Here we are.
We're back for part 2 of this Frankenstein engine. Is it a Frankenstein engine or just Franken motor? Frankenstein. We'll put some bolts out either side. But we've got our Levi here to help us. And Levi's been doing all this smart stuff with the wires. He's got the correct tools. Like, he's not using gardening secateurs like we were. Joey.
Yes.
We're not far. I missed a bit of filming, but anyway, we've got the loom in there, and it's all plugged into the motor. Most of the vacuum's hooked up. Joey's got a catch can, which is pretty mad. I don't know much else. Levi's doing stuff in here.
Doing upside down stuff.
Upside down stuff in here with Joey's gross floor. But yeah, we've been working on it this evening. Hopefully gonna give it a yeehaw soon and see if it makes any noises. Putting the thing on, how many ooga-doogas are you gonna give it, Joe?
I reckon about 4 will do it.
Yeah, one more, I reckon. A long one. There you go. Yep. So Levi just asked me if we're ready to go and turn the key. He turns the key and we don't even have the spark plugs in because I stole one of them from my car. Don't have the coil leads or anything. So keep going, Joe. You gotta get that spark plug out.
We're getting there.
Okay, so it doesn't want to fire at the moment. We've shortened our list of reasoning, so it's got spark, it's got compression, it's got the tiniest bit of fuel, but it's got a carby fuel pump which only puts out 7 psi worth of fuel, and we want about 35 psi of fuel, so it's only dribbling the fuel into the engine. So we've deduced that we need to get a new fuel pump, and away we go. And then we will be giving it a good old yeehaw, I think. And yeah, that's it for this part of our Daihatsu build. We'll see you on the next part. Bye, Joe.
Bye.